Okay, what's the problem, huh? Okay, on this one here, how to tell the person bigger than you. Okay, now it's very difficult to go in to do hand-to-hand stamp with them, because when they get a hold of you, you're finished. So this is why you got to understand this basic thing to learn distance control and understand how to attack them, the most vulnerable part that surprise them. So you got a problem with this guy, like in pain at a minute on the nut. So the basic, you go like that, slowly like this in to the nut here, and soon as that nut come in, it's hurt, and then boom like that, direct at his face. Because it doesn't matter how big they are, if I kick it to the nut, that goes straight up to the stomach, you won't be able to breathe or anything. This is the very important. So the idea of it is the distance. When he come in close, stand away like that. So not a problem, man, not a problem. Keep him away from you. Okay, that's the key. And soon they get away from you, you get the line. So the line of the like here like that, straight to the silver plate to make sure you are dealt with him. But if you can really attack him directly at his throat. So basically, keep him in a distance like this. This is all about learn about distance, straight onto here. Okay, and then this leg goes straight onto boom to the straight into here, like that, straight to the toe, bam like that, and then he will be finished. He's not gonna able to stand up to ever see his mom ever again. So the length of it is not a problem, man. Like that, to get rid of them. Okay, this is important. Now the thing as well, part up, to give you the sense of surprise to respond to the movement when you're dealing with this kind of thing. Because when you're doing with somebody, you got to make sure you feel the movement and respond well. So when he came in, got a problem with him like this, you kick straight up, straight the face. So for him to respond to it, it's going to be difficult. So the idea is, he want to protect him up. Now the first thing you need to learn is when you walk in, you got any problem, just like no problem, you set up the positioning, set your body up. So straight away, you go to the nut, you see? Straight with this onto the nut. So it's difficult for him to hit you, okay? Drop that and straight away attack like that coming in. So your body from here quickly turn like that and direct at his throat or direct his chest or direct his face. He will look ugly. His mom don't even remember anymore. So the idea when you start with a line is come and got problem and come to attack them. And the most important thing of all is a distance control from you to him, okay? If you stay too close to him, you come along. I don't matter what you learn, you're going to have problem, okay? So the most important thing is keep him right in the distance and and deal with him right away. You like what you see there? You like all the movement? You want to see the real thing that I'm learning to understand? Then you know where we are. We're in here. I'm inside here. Come inside this. Take this course and come inside, and I will be right there to teach you everything you need to know about self-defense. I see you onto the training course.